Today we will talk about a healthy and cheap food item. Bone broth, boiled bone water or bone extract. Bone broth contains many nutrients that are in bone marrow and cartilage tissue, and to access it, they must be heated in boiling water for a long time. The most important property of bone broth is to help repair the protective layers of the intestine. Bone broth is very useful for preventing the problem of intestinal leakage and also for repairing the intestinal walls. Bone broth contains various amino acids, including glutamine, which increases protein synthesis in muscles and leads to muscle growth. This amino acid is used by many weightlifter, bodybuilder, and endurance athletes. Also, bone broth contains a lot of collagen and gelatin. Gelatin is a protein mixture that is a derivative of collagen. Collagen protein is one of the proteins that are abundantly found in the body. These proteins help muscle tissue as well as restore and maintain cartilage. The combination of these substances is very important for the development of children and adolescents. Bone broth manual. Bone with plenty of water, apple vinegar, 2 onions, some cinnamon powder and ginger on the gentle heat and simmer 12 to 24 hours. Note if the water in the pot is low, add water again. The bone marrow should be completely crushed and easily separated from the bone. After 12 to 24 hours, turn off the heat and let it cool. First, remove the large bones and then the small bones, and then pass the water in the pot through a strainer and remove all the small bones inside. Now you can freeze the obtained solution and use it to spice up all kinds of stews and soups. Bone broth can be the best and healthiest ingredient for flavoring all kinds of food. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video. Please share your comments with us and subscribe to the YouTube channel Be Healthy. Be healthy.